Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and stopping sync. That prevents accidental loss. Export your vault to a local, encrypted file and confirm the export completed. Then sign out of your Norton account and turn off sync on every device that uses the manager. Close browsers and exit any Norton password processes. This ensures files aren't locked and lets the uninstaller run cleanly. Once done, you're ready to remove the software without risking lost passwords. You now remove the program itself. Go to Settings Apps or Control Panel Programs and uninstall Norton Password Manager plus related Norton components. If the uninstall stalls, download and run the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool. That tool cleans registry entries and stubborn services. After uninstall, check program files and app data for leftover Norton folders and delete them. This clears stray configs. Make sure to close all applications before deleting. Once those steps finish, proceed to browser cleanup. You finish by cleaning browser extensions and saved credentials. Open each browser, remove the Norton Password Manager extension, and clear any stored logins tied to it. Restart your computer so leftover services and scheduled tasks stop and system changes apply. After reboot, check Task Manager and Services for any Norton entries and remove them if present. If something went wrong, restore your exported vault file to a new manager. Troubleshooting tip. If uninstall fails, run the Norton removal tool in safe mode and then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.